March 24, 2020, India was put on a complete lockdown in a bid to control the spread of COVID-19. Forced indoors, some people turned to their balconies and windows to observe the world around them. Birds became the focus. My name is Ambulana. I am 8 years old. Being in lockdown has truly taught me that we shouldn't take freedom for granted. Freedom is a privilege that we should appreciate and be thankful to have. There's something symbolic about the birds fly while in lockdown. They represent the ultimate freedom of movement. The video that you are watching is from the kitchen balcony of our home. I think it'll end up making us better stewards of our natural space, as well as give us peace and calm to see that even though our rhythm is interrupted, there's a larger rhythm that continues to go on. There are birds around us everywhere, some living in parks and gardens near our homes, and some even sharing space with us in the heart of the city. It just takes a little curiosity to identify and know a little more about these direct descendants of the dinosaurs and develop a green hobby that can give you a lifetime of pleasure for free. This time is creating new ways for everyone to think of how to keep our family and friends safe. We are in uncharted territory and we'll all run together. Take stock of the moment to remind ourselves that the pandemic will come to an end one day.